Yet still I want somebody man gone a prison feet. And it was your man. Your man in a prison today they in Curacao because he slept with your daughter. Right? Your man in a prison today there because he slept with your daughter. Why you come out of the big house? Come tell the truth. Why you move out? Nobody run from God. You move out because the family them put you out after you send him a prison to sleep with your daughter. That's all. You're out of the big house and end up in a one little catches with that dirty white cloth at the window. And listen, this is it. This is it. I will have to come back to you. Me alone, man. Me have the truth with me. Lie tell. A 3 other person do it. 3 other person do it and them give the storyline. Because them know you're hungry and they know you're bagger. So then give the storyline. 13, me know who contact the woman in Canada. With the award, I know who do it. 13, me just never come out here to come trouble no. Because I could have come out from day one, come make you know, say, lie tell. Lie tell. Nothing about it is true. You did not contact the woman in Canada. Nothing about it. All the vice changer where you talk about, lie. But your lies then become your reality. You understand? You notice how you curse one way. One way. Your daughter sleep with a man that your daughter sleep. And that's the way you cut. Everybody know your punchline. Because you know what? It's your reality. Yet still I want somebody man gone a prison feet. And it was your man. Your man in a prison today they in Curacao because he slept with your daughter. Right? Your man in a prison today there because he slept with your daughter. Why you come out of the big house? Come tell the truth. Why you move out? Nobody run from God. You move out because the family them put you out after you send him a prison to sleep with your daughter. That's all. You're out of the big house and end up in a one little catches with that dirty white cloth at the window. And listen, this is it. This is it. I won't have to come back to you. But me just come back here and say, your lies them become your reality, become your bread and butter, become your income. So every time them do something, them give you the storyline. None of where you come out here talk is true. Not you. Why you think when me play the live yesterday, me laugh? Because me not defend nobody out here. But you know why me laugh? Because me I say, no sir, you go deeper in the lie. Really your reality. You go deeper and deeper. Me I wonder if you not listen to yourself. Your mental just like Walkie. Your mental just like Walkie. That's how me sit down nicely I talk to you. Your mental just like Walkie. Your lies them have become your reality. It become your income. It become everything, your daily bread. But let me tell you something. Me I sure say me a bad girl and me I go be the winner girl. Me I go be the winner girl because you say any content you put out, me I go play them. Any content you put out, so you must have not go put out no content. I tell you no. See, I'm like when I play a distraction game. Because guess what? I said to somebody last night. I said, let me tell you something. All you know I go do a curse. Nothing but more. Nothing more. Because me, I go do what me can do. And no curse. What me I go do? Any content at all you put out, it I go become my one. You are going to be my content creators from today. There. And once you can't stop that, let's move on. If you can't stop me from play the content, move on. You waste your time. Your lies then become your reality. People are suck, she has suck no. This is the way of making money. She never contact nobody. Nobody in Canada she never contact. She did not email nobody. Let me tell you the truth. The truth lie with me. I know the 3 women will plan up and write that letter to Canada. I know the 3 females on the social media. I tell you, it's like if me talk some things, the internet turn over. But I leave it. And I say, you know what? Me not have no sister, no mama, nobody out here. Me no business with people business. Lie she tell. She did not contact nobody in Canada. She not send no email nowhere. She not call nowhere. Lies.